Welcome to Zoomer's RV of Wabash, Indiana. This is the used 2018 Jayco Eagle 347 BHOK. This 41-foot, 7-inch rear bunkhouse fifth wheel has 4 slides. It sleeps 6 people and weighs just 12,155 pounds. This fifth wheel MSRPs at $76,943, but is available at the Zoomer's low price of just $44,900. That is as little as $367 a month with Zoomer's hassle-free on-site financing. You're always welcome to come to us as we are open, or you can visit us at zoomersrv.com. Click the Finance tab and apply for financing through our secure portal. As you can see, we have rooftop access, as well as an exterior kitchen. We have our griddle, TV, sink, cabinetry, and a really tall refrigerator, considering this is an outdoor refrigerator. Enjoy your time outdoors with your loved ones. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. As you do that, you can see this says Climate Shield for ultimate weather protection, and is also wired for solar. As you can see, this is a very beautiful, spacious camper with everything you need to take your family away. Here in this slide, we have our dinette, which can fold down to make more sleeping area, storage on each side. We have our sofa, which is directly across from your TV and fireplace. In this corner here, we have some storage if you want to hang your coat. Also some storage here. We'll get to the bunkhouse in just a second. Let's round out this kitchen. We have our kitchen island. We have a large pantry. I'm going to go ahead and take a step back so you can look at it. We have a microwave, cooktop with glass cover. We have a nice backsplash oven and some storage underneath. We have our Whirlpool refrigerator, which is plenty of space and very clean, as you can see. There's some counter space over here, and some lights, some overhead cabinetry, a place to sit right here, which also is some storage. Now let's go ahead and take a look at that bunkhouse. As you can see, this is a private bunkhouse. Here we have a bunk, which can fold up and create some more headroom for this couch. You can see pictures at zoomersrv.com. The couch is also in good proximity to the TV. It can also be folded down to make a bed. We have steps. Each step has its own little storage. Up to another bunk here. We have places to hang coats and jackets or any other essentials that you might be traveling with. You also have a half bath, which is always great in a bunkhouse. So here we have the foot flush toilet, the sink, and mirrored medicine cabinet. Let's go ahead and make our way to the private bedroom at the front of this fifth wheel. On the way, we'll see the whole bath. We have our foot flush toilet, place for our linens, our sink, and a nice beautiful mirror here with some accent lighting behind it. You'll notice a shower seat as well as a skylight. Now we can go ahead and make our way towards the bedroom. As you can see, we have this nice big beautiful bed slide with plenty of space to walk around the bed. We have a built-in dresser a place for our TV. We have a substantially sized closet with plenty of space to hang some wardrobe, as well as some shelving in here. You'll notice there's a washer dryer hookup and plenty of space in here as well. Again, this is the used 2018 Jayco Eagle 347 BHOK. I hope you've enjoyed this tour. Feel free to visit zoomersrv.com to see pictures or to view any of our many other campers. Thank you.